Hello guys, this is Peter from Sun Insurance. Today's video is to show you the Sylectus interface. If this is your first time, you have a new DOT number and you just subscribe to Selector Load Board. I've done some videos in the past, but today I wanted to show you this new interface, how it looks like and what you can do to effectively get a load. There are some of the things which I didn't touch last time, and I'm touching them briefly today so you can increase or maximize the possibility of getting a load. So the new selectors looks like this, and at this corner, uh, today I'm going to concentrate on the managed posted orders. There are some other things which you can do as soon as you log in. But quickly, for those ones who are looking for loads, you just go on orders and click on the managed posted order. As soon as the computer loads up like this, and this is the screen you see up here. So this is what the pickup from. It prompts you if you click here, the calendar comes and you select the date. If, for example, you select today, it comes here by default. And pick up date from today and pick up to, so it becomes a start and the end. Or if you wanted to go like past today, if you want loads pick up, since it's a weekend, pick up tomorrow, you select one more day. And here you have the option of checking this box to show loads that have not expired only. For this reference number, you don't have to put this number, but if you do, you can input the reference number here or the order number. And then the load type. So depending on what units you have in your fleet. So if you wanted an expedited load alone, you have to check this box. The courier type, check this box. If you want a straight track, a climate control, expedited truckload, truckload. If it's less than truckload and less than truckload. If you only wanted a small straight, you click on that. And if you do have a sprinter, a cargo van, all these are the units depending on what load type you have. And I'm assuming for those people who are new, you know what a load type means. It means what your vehicle is capable of transporting. For example, if you have a sprinter and you put a load for a large trade, you are likely to get this load. So this is what it means right here. So this is very important. Okay, you check mark all those ones. Otherwise, if you aren't sure, you can just leave it blank and the computer will select for you by default. And on the maximum, if, for example, you have a straight track and you know the maximum payload is 9,000 pounds. So you key in 9,000. And on the minimum cargo insurance, if it's 100,000, you key in 100,000. And the maximum if it's 250,000 for the cargo insurance, so you key in 250,000. Right here, what you're doing, you are telling the computer to search for loads which, let's say, are within 100-mile radius. Pick up location, and you don't need to, if you select more than one state, you don't put this one. So you have to note. So in that words, you save time. So for example, here, if you need loads picking up from Chicago, and then you select the city, of course, which is Illinois, Chicago, Illinois, and you can select cities within the US. And actually, you don't even need to select here, because if you do select here, you will limit the choices. So for right now, we have to leave to city, and if you wanted to go, let's say, to Kentucky, and you wanted a load which can put you closer to Kentucky, so if you select a city here, it's not gonna give you a lot of choices. So the results are not going to be limited. So you can leave it blank, and the freight source, uh, you can say both, or if you select Alliance 3PL, so in most cases leave both, so you can get from all the sources. And here, if you wanted to include less than truckloads and less than truckloads, that's what LT for those ones who are joining the field for the first time. So LT and LT means less than truckloads, and LTL less than truckloads. Those are the lanes. If you want to search on those lanes, you can as well click on those lanes. And the refresh, you have an option if you want the selector to refresh 10 minutes automatically. If you want 2 minutes, I usually do 5 minutes, so that you don't have to click the search posting all the time. And from here, you want to search all postings, but if you want to search my loads only, and this is when you want to clear the fields. So, but if you want to click search all postings, that one will bring a lot of results. This one is used by brokers most of the time, who post loads. And if you wanted to manage your email list, and you go to email posting, this is where this one is mostly used by brokers when they post new orders. So for the new carriers who are joining the field, if you got your DOT and you have subscribed, like I said, in Sylectus, so you wanted to, have a little tour on how you are going to bid on these lots, this is what you are going to do. And after that, what you need to do is click search postings. So once you click the search postings, the computer is going to give you the results according to the computers according to what you told this computer. So here from Chicago, Illinois, we are not getting a lot of results today because it is it's a weekend. But you get an idea of how things will look like. For example, here, this is a company, Fastomo Logistics, and this is posted by this company, this broker right here. If you wanted to check on the server website to see if the company is registered, their DOT is active, you will have to click here, and then it will take you to server watch information. I probably have to do another video about the server, how you check companies on the DOT website. So once you do this, It shows you clearly the reference number, broker number, and the unit, what type of equipment they need. This is a small thread, and this is the order number here in red, and this is the money they are paying. So the pickup trade is Eastern time, usually Eastern time. So if you are on Central Standard Time, you need to know, convert those standard times to Central Standard Time, so your driver can get to the pickup on time. And then this one picks up in Franklin, the zip code right there, right here, and it goes to Austin, Texas. So sometimes when it says deliver direct, they want you to, if you are team drivers, you want you not to stop for a long time, probably stop for gas, and you go direct. But if you are bidding like such a load, if it says direct, talk to the broker and tell them to give you, the transit hours. What time do they want to arrive there. But the language here is when it says the river dialect, it means non-stop. And it looks like this is an expedited load. And so this is one is the posting time. It shows you what the posting is going to expire. And this one is real time. So for example, right now is 7:28. So by 2023, this is the East Africa, military military standard time. So they usually use military standard time. And then these are the vehicle size and the mileage. Straight track, this is the mileage 1,126. And this is the number of pieces, is 4 pieces. They didn't show the weight here. So it is very important to talk to the broker before you bid and ask them if your vehicle is going to accommodate. Even though we put the 9,000 as the payload, the weight, but it's good practice to check with the broker to find out what it requires. Pick up as soon as possible by 8 and deliver direct. They want a true team, and you have to be very careful if you lie to them and say it's a true team and you show up as a solo driver, they might not load you. So bid the load which you're gonna be able to uh, deliver on time. And this one says it must print paperwork, and you have to use the macro point, of course, tracking. These are the things which you need to be very careful before you submit the bid button, and these are the things you need uh, to be very careful. So once, if you like the first load, this one here of the first posting, what you do is click on here on the company, and then the company information comes right here. So this is the profile of this order. This is the broker name, broker company, the alliance member since 2014, posted by this gentleman here, posted by phone. You can call them, or but most of them they prefer you to email them or what you need. And posted by carrier services, and this is the company address, and this is their authority numbers, MC number to carrier number, and this is the cargo insurance they have on file, and all the company information is right here. And the credit score is 94, and the days to pay is 34 days to pay. And these are the things you need to check before you bid, because once you bid on a load, that's a binding contract, and you need to deliver that load before before they pay you. Right? So once you do that, we go back here, and if you like that load, so what you do is this email. You can copy this email and go to your email and copy. Go to your email, open your email browser, and then email them. And as simple as that. So once they get your bid, tell them what you're willing to offer, and tell them where your equipment is and what's the miles out. And from there, they should be able to respond to you. And I did a video on how to bid by email. Yeah, so I don't want to create redundancy or repeat some of the information or some of the content. But briefly, that's what I wanted to tell you guys today. And if you do have a question or a comment, put it below this video, and you should be able to bid your loads without no problems. So that's it, guys, for today. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my video with your fellow truckers, and help one another out. So you have a good day, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.